Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Dogecoin on SatoWallet app. Well, you're going to have to visit the website first at SatoWallet.com right here. And there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and that is the Windows PC version. Well, we're going to use the PC version right now because they kind of have the same interface, all of them. So and I've already installed the PC version on my PC and I've signed in. So here's the PC version, and all you need to do to sign in is just get an email address and set up a password. And this Google Authenticator is another layer of security to make sure your funds are secure. Well, your funds are actually on cold storage. And this is the amount I have in my wallet right now. And these are the list of coins we have on the app. Okay, so right now we're gonna use Dogecoin. Okay, here's Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is 0.006 USD right now. Okay, so and we can use this search bar right here to search for Dogecoin. It's a lot more easier actually, just to type in and your search will show up. Okay, here is Dogecoin. Okay, this is the amount I have in my Dogecoin amount right now, my Dogecoin balance, and this is the equivalent balance of this Dogecoin in USD. Okay, this is the transaction, and okay, show all transactions. Okay, yeah, the remaining transactions. Well, okay, if you want to send Dogecoin to a friend, you just click send here and then type in the address. This is not exactly what an address looks like. It's just an example. Okay, type in the amount. Let's say 27. Okay, and it's showing up in $2. And if you want to reduce this amount, you can just click here. If you want to add, you can click here. And here's the fee deducted. Here is in Doge and here is in USD. And you can add a transaction comment. Let's say hey, for example. After doing all of that, then you can just click transfer and your transfer will begin. And then this is the receiving part. Okay, if you want to receive a coin from someone, then that someone will have to scan this barcode right here or make use of this address, my address. Okay, that's pretty much about sending and receiving. Okay, we're gonna jump to swap coins. Okay, swap coins auto exchange from currency. Okay, let's click on from currency and choose a coin. Right now we're using Dogecoin, so we're gonna look for Dogecoin right here. Right here. Okay, Dogecoin. Okay, to currency, you can choose any currency to swap to. Okay, let's use black coin. Okay, amount to swap, let's say 50 Dogecoin. Okay, 50 Dogecoin is 50 Dogecoin is 0.2929 USD, and it's also equivalent to 3.4 black coin. Okay, if you exceed your amount, for example, let's do this. Okay, amount exceeds your balance, so you won't be able to swap, and this swapping button right here won't be enabled. But if you reduce the amount, so for example this, then it will actually show up and you can swap your coin. Okay, and if you want to reduce, you can just use this. Okay, let's move to the exchange. Okay, this is the market. These are the available coins you can exchange with. Okay, let's look for Doge. Doge. Okay, let's Doge BTC to Doge. Okay, wow, that's a long list of trades. Okay, this, the bid and the ask, total. Okay, these are the list of trades on SatoWallet between BTC and Dogecoin. Wow, it's a long list. That's huge. Okay, this, if you want to buy, you use this part, and if you want to sell, you use this part. Okay, if you want to buy, then you're gonna input the amount, Doge amount you want to buy. Okay, it's showing up in dollar too. And BTC price, this is just an example, dollar. Okay, selling part, 24 Doge. Okay, 34 BTC. Okay, if you want to buy, then you click buy. If you want to sell, you click sell. Okay, clicking of either one of these buttons is gonna make you an order. And if you make an order, you can check your order in my orders. Okay, your order is gonna show up right here. And if you don't want to go on with your order, then you can just click cancel right here. Your order will be deleted from my orders. And if you want to make another order, you can just go back to trade and make another order, and it's going to show up right here again. And this is history, trade history between, transaction history between BTC to Doge. Okay, these are the types: sales and buys, prices. Okay, this, and amounts. These are the amounts. So it's a long list. Okay, let's jump to currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another. Right now I'm using USD. Okay, so let's choose another currency. It's a pretty long list, so let's just choose one. Okay, let's choose this JPY. That's Japan. Okay, it's going to take some seconds to change. Okay, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, you see, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing JPY. That's Japan. That's because I changed my fiat currency from USD to JPY. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.